Hi, I'm Mrs. P. Rajapspam, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Jayaraj Anabakyam College for Women, Autonomous Puriyakalam. Today I'm going to give an introduction to metric space from real analysis. What is metric space? A metric space is a set together with a metric on the set. The metric is a function that defines a concept of distance between any two members of the set, which are usually called points. Definition of metric space. A metric space is a non-empty set M together with a function D defined as M cross M2 R satisfying the following conditions. First one, non-negativity. Non-negativity means the distance between two distinct points is positive. Second one, definiteness. The distance from a point to itself is 0. Third one, symmetry. The distance from x to y is the same as the distance from y to x. Last one, triangle inequality. The distance from x to z is less than or equal to the distance from x to y plus the distance from y to z for all x, y, z belongs to M. The function D is called the metric on M. It is sometimes called a distance function, and the per M, D is called a metric space. What is distance between 4 and 6? The distance between x and y is d of x, y equal to modulus of x minus y. Therefore, d of 4, 6 equal to modulus of 4 minus x equal to modulus of minus 2. Properties of modulus of x is modulus of x equal to modulus of minus x. Therefore, modulus of minus 2 equal to modulus of 2 equal to 2. Let x equal to set of all 1, 2, 3, 4 be a non-empty set, then x, d is a metric space where d is defined by d of x, y equal to modulus of x minus y. Given x is a non-empty set and d of x, y equal to modulus of x minus y. To prove d is a metric on x. To show that D satisfies the conditions of a metric. First, to find x cross x. X cross x is the ordered pair of the elements of x. We get 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3 and 4, 4. Since D is a function from x cross x to R is defined by d of x, y equal to modulus of x minus y. First, to find all the elements of x cross x by using d of x, y equal to modulus of x minus y. For example, 1, 1. D of 1, 1 equal to modulus of 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, 1, 1 maps to 0. And take second element 1, 2. 1, 2. D of 1, 2 equal to modulus of 1 minus 2 equal to modulus of minus 1 equal to 1. Therefore, 1, 2 maps to 1. To prove D is a metric on X. This D satisfies the conditions of a metric. First one, the distance between two distinct points is positive. Here, all the elements of domain maps to positive numbers only. Therefore, the first condition is satisfied. The second one, the distance from a point to itself is 0. Here 1, 1 maps to 0, 2, 2 maps to 0, 3, 3 maps to 0 and 4, 4 maps to 0. Therefore, d of x, y equal to 0 if and only if x equal to y for all x, y belongs to x. Therefore, the second condition is satisfied. The third condition is the distance from x to y is the same as the distance from y to x. Consider 1, 2. 1, 2 maps to 1 and 2, 1 is also maps to 1. Therefore, d of 1, 2 equal to d of 2, 1. Similarly, 1, 4. 1, 4 maps to 3 and 4, 1 maps to 3. Therefore, d of 1, 4 equal to d of 4, 1. Therefore, d of x, y equal to d of y, x for all x, y belongs to x. Therefore, the third condition is satisfied. Last one, triangle inequality. Consider 4, 2. 4, 2 maps to 2, 4, 1 maps to 3 and 1, 2 maps to 1. So therefore, d of 4, 2 less than d of 4, 1 plus d of 1, 2. Since 2 less than 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 2 less than 4. Consider 2, 1. 2, 1 maps to 1 and 2, 3 maps to 1 and 3, 1 maps to 2. Therefore, d of 2, 1 is less than d of 2, 3 plus d of 3, 1. Since 1 less than 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 1 less than 3. Therefore, d of 2, 1 can be written as is less than d of 2, 3 plus d of 3, 1. And consider another example. Consider d of 1, 3. d of 1, 3 equal to d of 1, 2 plus d of 2, 3. Since d of 1, 3 is 2, d of 1, 2 is 1 and d of 2, 3 is 1. So 2 equal to 1 plus 1. So 2 equal to 2. Combining these three examples, we get d of x, z less than or equal to d of x, y plus d of y, z for all x, y, z belongs to x. Therefore, D is a metric on X. If x, y belongs to R, let D be defined from R cross R to R, defined by d of x, y equal to modulus of x minus y. Given D is a function from R cross R to R. D defined as d of x, y equal to modulus of x minus y. For all x, y belongs to R. Consider d of minus 3, minus 2. d of x, y is modulus of x minus y. So therefore d of minus 3, minus 2 is modulus of minus 3 minus minus 2. So minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So modulus of minus 3 plus 2 equal to modulus of minus 1. So this is equal to modulus of 1 equal to 1. Given D is a function from R cross R to R. is defined by d of x comma y equal to modulus of x minus y. Consider 1 comma 1, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 1 which belongs to R cross R. First, to find all the elements of R cross R by using d of x comma y equal to modulus of x minus y. We show that D is a metric on R. This D satisfies the conditions of a metric. Here 1 comma 1 maps to 0, 1 comma 3 maps to 2, 2 comma 1 maps to 1, 1 comma 2 maps to 1, 2 comma 2 maps to 0 and minus 2 comma 1 maps to 3. Therefore, all the elements of domain maps to positive numbers only. Therefore, d of x comma y greater than or equal to 0 for all x comma y belongs to R. Therefore, the first condition is satisfied. Second one, d of x comma y equal to 0 if and only if x equal to y for all x comma y belongs to R. Here 1 comma 1 maps to 0 and 2 comma 2 maps to 0. Therefore, the distance from a point to itself is 0. Therefore, the second condition is satisfied. Third one, the distance from x to y is the same as the distance from y to x. Consider 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 maps to 1 and 2 comma 1 maps to 1. Therefore, d of 1 comma 2 equal to d of 2 comma 1. Therefore, d of x comma y equal to d of y comma x for all x comma y belongs to R. Therefore, the third condition is satisfied. The last one, triangle inequality. Consider 2 comma 2. Here 2 comma 2 maps to 0, 2 comma 1 maps to 1, 1 comma 2 maps to 1. Therefore, d of 2 comma 2 less than d of 2 comma 1 plus d of 1 comma 2. And take 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 maps to 2. 1 comma 2 maps to 1. And 2 comma 3 maps to 1. Therefore, d of 1 comma 3 equal to d of 1 comma 2 plus d of 2 comma 3. Combine these two examples. Therefore, d of x comma z less than or equal to d of x comma y plus d of y comma z for all x comma y comma z belongs to R. Therefore, D is a metric on R. Since the metric D from R cross R to R, therefore, this metric is called a useful metric and R is called a useful metric space.